My name is Kevin, and I'm with the home repair team for Bridges for Peace, and I'm here with my wife, Sarah. She was able to join me today as we're here just on the outskirts of Judea and Samaria, helping a family out who the mom has an injury to her leg and is unable to use her existing bathroom as it is with a tub. So she has problems getting in and out of the tub. So we've decided to remodel her bathroom, take the tub out so that she can walk in without having to climb over anything or trip on things for her own safety. The family, they're just constantly just saying thank you, thank you, thank you to those who have helped support this project and the many more that will come after this as well. So we're here, Bridges for Peace, uniting together to be able to bless the people of Israel in order to come here and to make life just a little easier and look forward to what God is doing in this land.
לפני כמה חודשים שיצאתי מהמקלחת, מהאמבטיה עצמה נפלתי ושברתי את היד. אז הבנתי שאני חייבת להחליף את האמבטיה במקלחון. הקשרים למען השלום באו והם שיפצו בעצם את כל האמבטיה. ממש תודה רבה על הכל. היום יש לי מקלחון, יש לי אמבטיה שאני נכנסת ואני מחייכת. תודה רבה רבה מכל הלב.